All right, let's get the show on the road. That's past my bedtime already.
They close the doors at the home at 9, so.
Been up for an hour already? Yeah.
Oh, man, we gotta move.
We gotta hurry. I don't want to be locked out again.
It's a long night.
Are we painting? We might be. Depends on how many no shoots you get.
So yeah, get that paint ready.
Don't mess it up, Ed.
You got paint?
You got a heater for that gun yet?
As I shoot it first.
I was gonna have Mom make him a blanket.
Are the
Oh, a
orange ones.
blankie, yeah.
He needs a-
Stop, Dad. Stop.
Okay, shooter ready. Stand by.
A little yellow one with butterflies.
One 965.
Okay, make ready.
Come on, Ed. Do it again.
Got it. I think you're overcompensating for something. Jesus.
You could be.
We'll see how the video turns out.
Shooter ready. Stand by. One 748.
1748.
If you are finished unloading, show clear.
Okay. Okay, this is John, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready, John?
I am.
Stand by. Aim low to the left.
All right.
Okay, shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by.
One of the two.
Two 319.
Show up tonight.
Well, his new nickname, he's a superstar, see? So
A
he
superstar.
always shows up on special days.
The big boys go.
Okay, shooter ready. Stand by. Two 690.
Now you're worried.
Okay, shooter ready. Stand by. Two 130. 2130. Okay. Shooter ready. Yeah. Stand by.
2093.
I like how he stuck the landing on that first one. Did you see that?
He's got the little gay hop.
That's why ice cleats are mandatory.
It's an old man move. Two,
2256.
no shoot.
No shoot. And did he get the hits on the first one?
I did it.
Because I didn't hear nothing.
He did.
He did?
He hit those first two?
I didn't think so, but Terry said he did.
I didn't hear him.
I didn't either.
Yeah, quit trying to give me
Sure.
more points.
Because we got room for more penalties in here.
We got lots.
Okay. Shooter ready. Okay. Ready. Shooter ready. Stand by.
One 945.
Ready. Stand by.
One 971.
1971.
Unload, show clear.
Okay.
Steve,
You ready?
Yeah.
Stand by.
Romeo 5? Yeah.
Okay, shooter ready. Stand by.
One 902.
4971.
When I was dead.
Little shit.
Easy me. Skadoosh.
Oh,
Yeah.
because of the battery?
Yeah.
You need to get you one of those. What?
What I want to get.
I need one to put on the side by side so everybody can see me pulling your ass out.
Yeah, you'd have to put one on the back because that's where I'm be pulling you out. I have video, several of them.
So do I.